stiff.
Hello.
I thought I turned it off. Sorry.
Ready?
Vamos.
Let's go. Hi, it's Karen. How are you?
Nah, been better.
What happened? Tell me that you fell?
Yeah, in my garage.
Doing what? Clean up?
No, just going to my car. So I walked on in, and
And that was yesterday?
yesterday I hit my hand, hit my knee, and boy, it took me way over 20 minutes to get up.
When was your surgery?
November 8th.
So it's been almost 3 months.
Yeah.
So you were doing well before this
I
fall?
was doing pretty good, yeah.
Let's see. The most important thing to check when someone falls on a total knee replacement, make sure you didn't break a bone. These are your x-rays. The implant is in good position. Sometimes a broken bone can happen at the edge where the implant is. So far, nothing happened. So x-rays are normal. You have a little bit of bruising here.
Yeah,
Stretch it out. But the scar is very well healed.
yeah.
There's also no signs of infection. The leg is fully straight. Bend it. 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 You know, she has very good range of motion. She's beyond 90 degrees. Stand up. Let me see. Walk with the cane. And come back.
I can try to walk without it if you want.
No, I mean you're sore. I don't
Yeah,
want you to
yeah, I'm sore.
work. So we can put you on a brace today to give you a little bit more support until this flare goes down.
Okay.
With a fall, especially if it happened yesterday, you need to give it a little bit more time for it to come around.
Yeah, it's back waking me up again.
So what we can do to treat this inflammation is oral steroids.
I'm on prednisone.
You're on prednisone.
Yes,
Okay.
heavy dose.
So we don't want to overload you with more steroids. We can try a stronger anti-inflammatory medication just to see if we can help with this flare-up. I would like to observe this knee for 2 or 3 more weeks. If in 3 weeks you still have pain, then I will follow up with me to see what other options we have.
Can I take anti-inflammatories with blood thinners?
Yeah.
Yeah, okay.
Yeah, it's a 1 pill a day. It's called meloxicam. And it will help take the edge off. Keep the knee moving because it's also good to keep the blood flow going.
Yeah.
To get rid of the swelling, avoid the knee from getting stiff.
Yeah, it's so stiff, it's crazy. It's
Yeah.
like a brick.
Yeah, because it's the impact and the swelling right here makes the tissue feel stiff.
I thought I turned it off. Sorry.
So hanging here, let's put you on that stabilizing brace so you're able to walk and don't fall anymore. Okay?
Yeah, no buckling my shoes.
Okay, I'll be back.
Okay.